So this is our movement on Euro GBP. This movement we are expecting it. If you have been following this channel consistently, right, you would have seen that I told you guys that this is a major rejection zone. This is a rejection zone, and we should be expecting Euro GBP to reject from this zone and drop. This is exactly what market did. So if you are new and you have not yet subscribed, make sure you click on that subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also stay updated by following the Telegram channel. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's zoom it out to see what Euro GBP be giving us. You can clearly see that this is our downtrend move on our Euro GBP. We are in the downtrend move. So this is our first low that Euro GBP was able to give us. Then here comes the lower high. Markets then drop again to form a new lower low. Then here comes the lower high. Market was able to drop again to form a new lower low. This is our lower high. Market then drop one more time to form a new lower low, and here comes the lower high. Now that we've got to this lower high, what should we be expecting next? Of course, I told you guys clearly, markets will drop to it, able to form a new lower low, thereby taking out this previous low. Now, when you go to your 4-hour time frame, you see that market was able to pull back, and we were having a major rejection at this zone, right? You can see this candlestick week. Market has rejections from the zone. Now, market has been able to, it was a drop that we were expecting, a little bit of a pullback, and then one more drop again is what to be expecting. So, if you're a day trader going for the sell on Euro GBP, right? If you're a position trader or you're a swing trader also going for the sell on Euro GBP, because more movement to the downside is still what we are going to be expecting. Right, so subscribe, click on the bell notification, and also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. The link to the Telegram will be in the comment section.